If you are using the basic POD license from Creative Fabrica, it is a must to alter your design to sell it online. Trust me, editing a graphic element is so simple if you use the right tool. If you are looking to learn a new skill that will make you stand out from the crowd and increase your chances of making sale in the coming Q4, follow me. I will show you the exact method how I turned this design into this design by using a free software. Welcome to my channel Talent into Asset. If you are new here, my name is Helen. I teach talented people like you how to make money online using your God-given talent so that you can grow your income, build an asset, and finally declare financial freedom in the long run. If you are interested to learn new skill in regards to affiliate marketing, print on demand, self-publishing through Amazon KDP, you are welcome to join. Subscribe by pressing the bell icon, get notified every time I release new content. Without further ado, let me show you how you can edit graphic element for your print on demand shop. Nowadays, getting a free graphic elements with POD license is very easy. One of the best place to get graphic elements and font with commercial license is Creative Fabrica. If you don't sign up for Creative Fabrica as a print-on-demand seller, I suggest you do that. Signing up for Creative Fabrica is free. If you want to subscribe to Creative Fabrica, you can use the link in the description below. If you use this link and buy a product or subscribe, I will get a small percentage of commission from Creative Fabrica. When you get graphic elements and fonts from Creative Fabrica with a basic POD license, which is for free, however, it is a must to alter the designs to make it your own. With this in mind, I will take you to the next step, how to edit your graphic elements. To edit the graphic elements that I downloaded from the Creative Fabrica, I use a free software called Inkscape. Inkscape is an open source software. Anyone can download and use it for free. You can download it and use it, and it is compatible in different operating systems. After you download the software and installed it into your computer, you will have a working space like this. Then you can set up the canvas size of your preference by going to the property menu. After you set up your canvas, you can import the elements from your file. Most of the time you'll get a different file format from Creative Fabrica or other sources. If the file has SVG file, you have to select the SVG file to edit. SVG stands for Scalable Vector Graphics. It means, without using technical terms, a picture that can be scaled without losing its quality. To edit the image, you can use different techniques. The technique that I am using is to change the color of the original image and add text that I think it goes with the graphics. You can alter individual elements by ungrouping them, and to ungroup you can use shortcut Shift plus Control plus G. You can go to the object menu bar and you will get it there. After you alter your picture, you need to export your file into your computer as PNG. By default, it is set to PNG. Then you can upload it to your online store. If you need to scale up your graphic elements, you need to hold the Control key while you're scaling up. Otherwise, it will be inappropriate or skewed when you are trying to move it down or up. So every time you have to hold the Control key when you are scaling up. You can select each individual element, change any color you like. If you want to put the design on a darker background, it is important to use a shape tool. I use in this editing process shape tool. I select a rectangle, I put it behind my image so that I can see what is going to look like at the end. So the next step, I add the text to my file. Adding text in Inkscape is so easy. You just have to go to the text tool, which is A at the sidebar. Then when you select that, you can the cursor will come to your canvas, so you can write whatever you want on your canvas, and you can change the font of the text that you write into your liking. For this design, I choose the spiderweb font that I get from Creative Fabrica to use it in my design. So you can play around, and when you are happy with the result, you can group all the elements together. To group all the elements together, you have to hold Ctrl plus G, and it will be grouped.
Losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past.
If you want your text to stand out, you can select the text and duplicate it by Ctrl and D. Then you can go to Stroke and Fill menu, and you can change the stroke paint with whatever paint color you like, and you can change also the stroke thickness by going to the stroke menu bar. And when you are happy with the stroke thickness and the paint that you select, you can move it back to the previous color that you choose for your design. So when you go to the top menu bar, you can see the position icons on the top, so you can select one step down or one step up, or whatever you like. As you can see, after I put it one step down, I like to decrease the stroke size so that the spider web can be visible on the design.
That'll give you relief. There's something that'll have what you need, what you need. We're broken, it's tragic, we're not all elastic, but maybe there's magic. Believe you could have it, and I know of sadness, the anxious and panic, the infinite vastness of all that is blackness.
Voila, here you have it. Now you know how to edit your graphic element using the free software Inkscape and graphic elements from Creative Fabrica or any other source to use it on your print on demand shop. If you find value from this video, I would like you to subscribe, like, and share this video so that other people can learn this skill and just with simple trick can stand out from the crowd and make more money on their print on demand journey. Thank you very much. If you want to learn other ways to make money, watch this video where I teach you to find 3 affiliate fashion brand programs so that you can join for free and make money